Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration and review of the Alink Sink Drain Overflow Cleaning Brush. I got this thing on Amazon for $6.99. It's pretty cheap. This is listed as Amazon's choice for a sink drain cleaning brush. So if you ever look on Amazon, it'll say, like at the top of one of the first ones that it brings up, Amazon's choice. So because of that, I bought it. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it works. And there will be a link down below if you're interested in picking this up for yourself. If you do purchase it or anything else by clicking on my link first, you can help support this channel in a very small way. I can get a little commission as an Amazon affiliate. So that being said, let me show you just how bad this sink is, and then we'll give it a try. All right, I'm super bummed. I feel like a dummy because I just cleaned it. It worked amazing, but I forgot to hit the record button on the camera. So let me just show you what I got out of this sink. So here is the pile of stuff that came out of this. I'm sure some of it got pushed down through, but that is disgusting. And I wish I had hit the record button, but I ran the sink and it immediately started filling up and would not drain at all. This was totally blocking everything. And so they designed this thing so that you can fit it down in here and not have to remove the stopper. But because this happens so often, I have my stopper actually not connected. It just sits in there. So I pulled my stopper out and I was able to get this thing all the way down in there, the whole way to the bottom of the pipe. And it's very stiff, but still flexible, so it can fit in there and kind of get down until you hit the bottom of the P-trap at the bottom. So that worked out really well. And then I used this to really scrub the sides, and it worked really well. So as soon as I got done, I used my fingers and I cleaned off the brush, and it was not that hard to clean all the goop off the brush. It's kind of cool when you're using this thing. It pushes it down and it just grabs this stuff and brings it right back up. So like it goes like this and just like brings it right back up. Like that. And then I just turn on the water and brush it really good, and all small particles will just get washed right down the drain. When you just clean it off with your fingers like this. And it's draining perfectly now. So anyway, I feel really dumb that I forgot to hit record, but it does work really well. I think this is totally worth $7. You just jam this thing down in there and you have an operational sink again. So if you're interested in picking this up, again, I got a link down below on Amazon. It's $6.99. And if you're interested in more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up down below if you liked it. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.